Jeremy, I'm curious to know if in the 12 months since we last spoke, you've changed your view on cryptocurrencies.
I have spent a lot of time in the last year on cryptocurrencies. They may not be good for buying groceries. They may not be a store of value. They may be highly correlated with the speculative stocks. They may have come down 40, 50% like the specs, but they do something way over my head to understand.
Do you buy the argument that there is an important difference between Bitcoin on the one hand and at least a couple of other cryptocurrencies on the other? And I'll name them. Ethereum, that's a blockchain. Ether is the coin. And Solana. And the difference, and I'll do my best to articulate it, is that those other blockchains are actually building blocks for new businesses that will prove to be revolutionary because they will eliminate things or help to eliminate things that I suspect you don't like. Transactional friction in the banking system and rent-taking that remains embedded in legacy financial institutions.
So the question is there a technology, blockchain, that will turn out to be very useful, whether done by corporations and governments and everybody else? I am sure the answer is yes. There's a useful technology, et cetera, et cetera. Does this justify trillions of dollars of perceived wealth? No, it doesn't.
It might amount to trillions of dollars of wealth, eventually.
If they can find a usefulness for it when it's integrated into the economy, it will perhaps facilitate productivity, like many ideas do. Very few ideas of that kind floated around and were capitalized at trillions of dollars, even though they had an enormous impact on the economy. Blockchain should be like one of those.
So maybe not quite as much of a crypto skeptic.
You could say the internet, by the way. The internet has created enormous value, but it didn't float around internet units which were capitalized and became worth trillions of dollars. And I admire them for not doing that. They deliberately went out of their way to make the internet a facilitator and not a way of amassing money in itself.